ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 92, ஸ்லோகா 6. சோயம் காலேய காலோ ஜயதி முரரிபோ யத்ர சங்கீர்த்தனாத்யைஹ நிர்யத்னைஹ ஏவ மார்கைஹ அகிலதனசிராத் त्वत्प्रसादं भजन्ते जाताः त्रेताकृतादौ अपि हि किल कलौ सम्भवं कामयन्ते दैवात् तत्रैव जातान् विषयविषरसैः मा विभो वञ्चयास्मान्. Word by word meaning. Hey Muraripo, O slayer of Mura. Hey Akhilada, O fulfiller of all desires. Saha Ayam Kaleya Kalaha Jayati, that Kali Yuga is indeed victorious. Yatra, in which Sankirtanadhyaihi, by chanting of thy names, glories, etc. Niryatnaihi Eva margaihi, by effortless means alone. Nachirat, quickly. Tvat prasadam bhajante, people get thy grace. Treta kritadau jataha api, even those who are born in the Krita, Treta and Dwapara yugas. Kalau sambhavam kamayante hi kila, wish for birth in the Kali Yuga indeed. Daivat, by good fortune. Tatra eva jatan asman, us who have been born in that Kali itself. He Vibho, O Lord. Vishaya Vishara Saihi, by creating interest in the poison of sense enjoyments. Ma Vangchaya, do not delude. Full meaning. O slayer of Mura, O fulfiller of all desires, victory to Kali Yuga, in which by such effortless means as chanting thy names, glories, etc., people can quickly get thy grace. Even those born in the other three yugas wish for birth in Kali Yuga. O Lord, do not tempt us with the sweet poison of sense enjoyments when by some good fortune we have been born in the Kali Yuga, in which liberation is easier to achieve than in the other yugas. Note, see Bhagavata Skanda 11, chapter 5, verses 36 to 38. Om Tat Sat.